Okay guys, let's talk about the gentleman from the house of Father and Son. So this is the own blend of Sherwin Villoso, the owner of the Father and Son. No? Talagang very unique ng pagkakagawa niya dito sa perfume nito. Alam naman na natin na napakahirap maghanap ng unique na perfume since marami ng kaamoy, marami ng kaparehas, at marirecognize mo agad. Pero when you spray this perfume, no, you will not even recognize every single inspired perfumes na meron ngayon sa market. No? That's very unique nito. It's good to make a signature perfume, no? Talagang mag-stand out ka since very unique yung amoy niya, no? Sa kanyang accords, no, it has the amber, vanilla, and aromatic, no? And unti-unti mo siyang marirecognize yung kanyang leather, sweet, and citrus. It's enough to make you fresh. Sa kanyang opening, you will recognize the minty vanilla. And then upon dry down, no, after a few minutes, you will recognize the tonka beans, the patchouli, and then the white woods. That's enough to make you a gentleman talaga. Ang nagustuhan ko dito, talagang walang nangingibabaw na notes sa kanya, no. Talagang balance lahat ng every notes na meron siya. And then talagang very moderate lang ng kanyang amoy, no. Very smooth, hindi siya masakit sa ilong, hindi din siya masakit sa ulo, at balance yung sweetness and woods na meron to si gentleman. So for me, ang binabayaran mo talaga dito, it's not the bottle, it's not the presentation or the box of this perfume of Father and Son. No, ang binabayaran natin dito is the performance na binibigay niya every single time na nag-spray tayo nito sa skin natin or sa body natin, no. So yes, that's the gentleman from the Father and Son na talagang napakaganda at wala akong masabi sa pagkakayari at napakatalino talaga ng gumawa ng perfume na to.